Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. I do not propose, Mr. Chairman, to make any long speech. Indeed, I might, with great respect, say to the House to accept this motion for reference to a committee without any great debate, because I think it is recognized on all hands that an untouchability will is required. The Constitution has already abolished untouchability, and I have heard over and over again that such a will has long been overdue. I notice that one of the amendments tabled is that the bill we circulated for eliciting public opinion. I most respectfully suggest that this procedure might be useful where there may be a possibility of a difference of opinion, and one might like to ascertain in what direction the current of public opinion is flowing, but where there is no room for doubt or dispute, no room for any divergence of opinion, and there is, if I may put any it that way, universal agreement that the will is necessary and should be urgently passed. Where is the necessity for such a procedure? Indeed, some members have already complained against me that there has been delay in the introduction or in the passage of this will. I therefore think that in a case like this eliciting of public opinion is really not a necessary process. I dare say the select committee will take some time over it. The will has been before the public or 7 or 8 months, and organizations, groups, individuals, anyone who wants to voice his own opinion or to offer suggestions would himself come forward, and let the committee have memoranda to write to them or ask for oral examination. I am personally anxious that this will should find its way on the statute book as early as possible. I would have really liked to put through this bill in the last session, but there was such congestion of legislative business that it could not be brought forward at that time. That is about this small matter of referring the will for eliciting public opinion by a certain date. Now, I imagine honorable members have read through the will and so the statement of objects and reasons. It is what I call a coercive measure, and all legislation must of necessity be of a coercive nature. Therefore, every clause of this untouchability offences bill is of a coercive nature, and this will should be scrapped. Full stop.